gonna title this one probably the first time in history that the East Coast of the United States gonna get a blizzard on Halloween weekend. They talk about global warming.
I don't want to play Mafia Wars. Don't allow it. How many times are they going to ask me?
Many times they can.
Oh, look what they do now. I'm not playing it. Oh, get the fuck out of here.
Trying to do something else, but we sit next to each other.
God damn.
No, I'm 46.
I don't want life stripped. I'm popping shit up on my computer.
I'm trying to hook you.
Like script, I don't want it. Hook me.
Yep.
Then they're just pissing me off. They ain't hooking me on nothing.
Anyway, like I said, in my 46 years, I have never heard of a blizzard even close to Halloween. And most people would like to celebrate Halloween on Saturday. Don't count on it, at least on the East Coast. Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. Georgia might not get it. Global warming does not just make everything hot, it just screws up everything you're used to. They talk about, they talk a lot. A lot of people get paid just to talk.
Maybe we'll have sun in December.
I doubt it. But kind of moving on. I had to look up on YouTube the flaming sword, who owned it or who had it. I found somebody. Don't take that wrong. That's just life. I believe that y'all should find yourselves. And Dark Side lives on Divide and Conquer. You call God this, I call God that, and we'll fight about it.
Are you making French toast?
Eventually.
Come on.
For what it's worth, this isn't the greatest video, but it is what it is. It's a personal diary of what I'm thinking that I will share. I don't share everything. Life is full of disasters. I ain't sharing all those with you. Smoking is a disaster, by the way. Something made you do it. Boredom. Then they hooked you.
Going out with snow sauna? Huh? Like a snowman?
I make better videos when I have things set up for it, but I like the people on my wall. I share a lot of it. If I like what I see, I don't even know who visits my wall, to tell you the truth, because I left it open. Anybody can come and visit if you like. I've had at least one hack attack. That person certainly didn't ask to be a friend. Oh yeah. Because the housing bubble burst, they were all hoping to. Well, they succeeded in doing that, actually, sucking the life out of you. But they just didn't figure it would ever end. It did. He borrowed from the future. The future showed up. Oh shit! Now what? Now what? Scramble. Okay. Good thing we started it. I would have preferred to have started that process to get out of here to get to a cottage in the country in June, because everybody gets to fart around for at least a month or more. But we didn't start it till probably September. And in September they said you got to wait a month for the bank. We wait a month for the bank. Bank's talking, and now the current occupant is like, I'm not in a big hurry to leave. You can't make me. And I'll be out the 21st November. And then you can do your thing. Bank won't send somebody out there to take a look at it and make sure it's only worth $40,000. It is part of bureaucracy, actually. I already said bureaucracy is needed. It's a question of how much of it. Balance eventually is achieved. And I was telling Diane, you can't blame her for not wanting to go. She got sucked up in the frenzy of free money. A lot of us did. There is no such thing. Now we're coming to the reality of what is worth what, and why is it, and what's really going on. It's always been parasites. Daddy hasn't won yet. Even when Daddy wins, there'll still be parasites. Just a lot less of them. I got a ton of things I need to do. Can't do much until I get the green light. And the green light is being hedged and put off, just like Congress, till a later date. But I still say I'm going to end with this one. A blizzard on Halloween weekend.
Right, puppers? Hey, what are you doing? Eating Daddy's pants? No, I think he has a big toenail.
Oh.
Your toenail hurt? Huh? Your toenail hurt? Where's your brother at? Behind me? Huh? Did he give up on her?
What are you talking about?
Who?